What? What's going on? Oh. Oof. What's going on with the news today? I saw there was something at 8:30. I don't see anything on the calendar though. ISM manufacturing at 10. I didn't see anything at 8:30, but there was a big move at 8:30. Oh, it was 8:34 actually. Interesting. Trump talking or something? What's going on? Sovereignty, you were a little early. Donovan. Ooh wee. Trader NQ, how we doing? Good morning, good morning. We are in the negative here this morning thus far. Pulling back from yesterday's big move. 30K is where that's at. So we got to be careful here because... Real quick, let me draw this. Alright, what do we got here? About 10, 20 seconds, 15 seconds? Let's see what happens. I'm going to be a little careful here at the open, just because, like I said, we're kind of in no man's land. Maybe this 180 area holds it up. If it goes through 180, though.
Order working.
Didn't get the fill. Oh.
Order filled.
Shit. I didn't want that fill.
Order working.
I tried to lower it.
Order filled.
Alright. Got the instant fill. I was going to raise it a little bit, but alright, we'll take it. I didn't want that fill. I wanted to move it down a little lower. I don't know if I would have moved it to right there. I probably would have went down towards 150. So maybe $60 that I wasn't counting on. But I was going to move my take profit order back up to here to 220. But look, looking left. Where did I get that line from? All I did was zoom out and look at key levels from yesterday. That was it. That's all I did. Now, if it actually holds there is a different question. What's up, bud? I need to concentrate, especially for this first hour. Already? What's up? Hurry up. Yeah. LeBron's. Yeah, some would argue that soccer is a little less physical as well than playing basketball. But even though both sports, you're not supposed to, they are. I mean, they both have had amazing careers. Just realized this music is kind of loud. Lower that down a little. Is that loud for you guys too? That's it. Everybody. So you have what's called a bid and an ask. The bid, what someone is willing to buy something at, and the ask is something that they're trying to sell it at. So if someone is willing to sell something over and over again, price up. So like imagine, here, let's put it in your terms. Imagine you got a bunch of basketball and they're all the same basketball. All right. Now imagine somebody wants to buy that basketball for, let's say you started off at 20 bucks. Well, people keep buying the basketball at 20 bucks. And you're like, oh, well, I could probably get some money for this. So then you, instead of selling for 20, you put it up at 25. Then if people keep buying it, then now the new price is not 20, it's 25. Now, let's say people keep buying it at 25. Now you're like, let's go up to 30. Well, let's say nobody wants to buy it at 30. And then so you go back to 25, but now no one wants to buy it at 25 either. So then you have to go back to 20. And that's basically what the stock market is. Just people deciding whether they want to buy something at a certain price or not, and then doing so. And that's what moves the market. Well, the idea is that you can keep making them. Guys, be careful. This could just continue all the way down. Like if we go scroll out and look left, 2 days ago, their close was down at 30K. So this could very easily go right there because looking at everything, this went straight up. If we break this area that we already broke, there's really nothing stopping it from just going straight here. So be careful. You can still scalp it, but I would wait for the bigger moves. Yeah, maybe. This is possibly true. Yeah, I would not be surprised if we try to get down to 30K here. I paid for your gas money while you were gone. Yeah, I forgot to grab my son's lunch. He was being a butt this morning. So my wife ran it over there so I wouldn't miss the open. Oh man. We are getting a decent little bounce here. All right, coming back down here. Got back up to the EMA, but rejecting. I really think we're gonna come test 30 if we go lower. This could very easily just bloop, at least down to 30K here. If we break lower here, we might just kablooey. Kind of feels like it wants to. If it holds though, we might actually squeeze back up. We'll see. They're holding it inside this range. I'll say, yeah. If it breaks this 87, this current low, we could just go kablooey straight to 30K. But if we hold and reclaim here, I mean, we could easily go straight back up to the 250s. But right now, the sellers seem to be in control. We'll see what happens. The buyers keep stepping in here at this right under 100. They might try to fake it out higher first. If they're gonna go lower, they might try to fake it out higher, like it's not gonna break, and then they do it. See that happen a lot. There was the attempt higher. See if it actually gets higher though. Or if we just go straight back down to the bottom of this, I mean, it's toast. But it's holding so far. tried to roll forward on my... Oh, it did. I need to keep an eye on that. Now kind of gapped up a little bit, so I was... And it's holding. Looks like it wants to try to go higher. It needs to hold here if it's going higher. If it breaks right here, this is probably going straight back to 3,100. Well, a little fake out to the downside there. Nope. She gone. This might go straight back down now. They didn't hold that at all. Wow. Wow. What a fake out back to the downside there. I thought that was just going to rip down. We might just rip straight up now. What a tricky market right now. Just watching these candles is great. It's they're just playing games both ways. It's great. That's why I don't trade this. They're making you believe a story both ways, and they're just chopping it right in the middle of it. It's great. Good morning, Keyshawn. Which way is it actually going to rip is the question. Wow. Well, now this definitely looks like we want to go higher, right? Which way did it want to fake out and actually continue? Faked out, back down, and continued up. Zishan, good morning. It's always waiting for that fake out. Question is, if we go up from here, where do we go? Because now we're back in the middle of this crap. The odds are we're going to come retest this 230 area, right? Which we kind of just did. Then where? And pretty obvious one here at 300. Right? Support, support, almost support, resistance, resistance. Odds are once we get through here, that's where we're going to go next. It's all about where are we going next. I actually really like this going back down when it held resistance here, but they faked that out real hard. This definitely looks like it wants to go. Green? Let's go. Good job, Z. Dude, it's been almost every day. It's pretty crazy. This one happened a lot quicker than most. Usually it's over the course of an hour or two, but question is, do we just trickle up? I mean, obviously our like I said, our next area is up here at 300. Just sucks because now I feel like it's already boring. Like I feel like we're not going to get what we want.
Six, seven!
6, 7. $66, baby. Breaking the bank. I don't know, Zishan. We haven't decided yet. I mean, we have a pretty busy weekend this weekend. We're hosting the 4th, so if we do, it's definitely not going to be this weekend. Coming up to 10 o'clock here, so that's the volatility we're seeing. Close of London. I really, really wanted to enter there at 300, but I was looking for the extension away from 300.
Order working.
I don't want it now. I wanted that little jab down right there, right into 50. I was gonna look for it to bounce back up like it's gonna. That's frustrating. I went way down on size too. I went to one contract, but tried to get filled. Would have worked. Oh well. It's not really like my trade anyway, but I liked that big candle down. That was nice. See Sean. Wow, what's up, man? How we doing? I sadly think we're probably just gonna chop. We're in such a big range here, 200, 300 points. That just frustrating. Nice little fake out lower. Everything's a fake out lately.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try getting in for this. I feel like this was a fake out lower. I feel like we're gonna at least go try higher. See if it wants to fake out. If we at least get back up to 300, I'm gonna put my stop break even. Kind of wanted to see it go right there, though, to be honest. I'm in one MNQ contract here. definitely gonna stop here.
Order working.
Not looking to add or fight this. Because if this comes lower now, this just looks like a lower high and then making lower lows. That doesn't look good. I was really expecting that to just go straight up, but if we can break this candle here and get up to 300, I still feel good about it. There we go. We can get up through 300. I'm moving my stop break even, and we'll see if we can just get through and 3 and hold. Might even take it depending on how much it goes. Needs to go here though. Needs to break it. Go. Go. Just keeps faking out. All right. Up to 300. If it fakes out here, so be it. We'll just take the break even. Need it to pop through 300 and go. Break even trade regardless. Would be nice to see it pop though. Go. Go. No. Go. Get through. What is this? 307. Come on, break it. Break it. Break it. No. Why do I feel like this is going to stop me out and then go? Just once, just go instead of doing the BS. You know, I was going to say, you know, if I take it off right there for like 40 bucks, then it would go right after I take it off. But now it's going to come down, take me out, and then go. Because that's just how my life works. Ah, dang it, man. Come on, go. Go. Get back up there. Get back up there. Yes, go. This should go. This should go. Go. I want to take it off so bad, but I want to let it run. If we can get back above here, there's nothing stopping us from going back up to 400. That's why I wanted... That's what I see here. Just V'ing straight back up all the way to the 830. Come on. I wanted to see it get through. Did it get through? Yeah, it did. But then it didn't continue.
Order filled.
I'm just going to take the 50 bucks, 48 bucks. I was really expecting this to squeeze, which it still might, and it probably will now that I got out, but I really wanted to see it break this candle here and just go. At least go up to the bottom of here, but it just struggled. All right. Hey, we got a little something extra. Got a little something extra. Good morning. It's me, buddy. What's up, man? I haven't talked to you in a while. Not a trade I typically take, but just something I saw, you know, squeeze a little bit of money out of something, out of nothing. $224. Might as well just lock in what we got. We got 3 accounts to trade today. Then tomorrow we'll have 2 again. So far, it's looking like I did the right thing. Kind of faked out higher, but I have a feeling this is gonna go higher. I didn't want to give it a chance to come down and stop me out. Which, what did it stop me out there? Nah, nah. It would have been pretty close. I don't know. I don't remember exactly where I think we were at 79. And that went to what? 82? It would have been pretty close. And I would have been pretty annoyed. But I'd still be in it. But I have no reason to take a trade now unless we make a big move higher. I will be sad if this continues higher. Because I really wanted it to, when it broke, like I said, when it broke here, I was expecting a squeeze, like one of these candles. But we didn't get it. So it'll still happen. You already know that. It just had to get me out first. It's going to be frustrating to watch this go all the way back up to, is this 400? It's going to happen though, isn't it? They're going to be blowing up fireworks for 4th of July. I don't typically do fireworks. I'll do sparklers and like the smaller stuff, but I don't typically do like the bigger stuff. I'm very much a proponent of safety. I let other people do that. So frustrating to see this. Without it, no, because we were right. We were 79. Crazy. They're just holding right above it. Trader's Nest, what's going on? Good morning. Feeling good. Sad we're not getting like any more of this. Look at the open there. That was beautiful. Bunch of up and down. Just didn't really get the overall extension that we were looking for. Where's that line I drew? Oh, I didn't draw it. It's just 30K. That's why I didn't draw it. Oh, man. Oh, we would have got stopped. We would have got stopped. Right? So I was at 79 something. Where did it? 78, 75. Yep, we would have got stopped right there. I would have still been holding, looking for that bigger move up to 400, and I would have got stopped. So, all right, we made the right move. Altus, what's going on? Second day done in Traders Launch giveaway account. Let's go. Let's go. So, wait, so you made 800 again today, which means you only got to make 400 the next. Yep, there it is. Need 410 the next day. Let's go. Then you just build that buffer, and
Pussy.
dude, it's money street from there on out. Need around 3K for Phidias to pass 150K premium. Nice. Let's go. Flip day for TPT, and we'll get the... Let's go, dude. Traders Nest on a roll. TL is too fast in payouts as well. They really are, dude. They're same day. If I made... So, like with TPT, I make this money. I withdraw it the same night. It doesn't come out until lunchtime on these Pro Plus accounts. For Pro accounts, they come out overnight, so it's fine. Traders Launch... I can make, say, $500 on my account. I could go request that. They'll take it out right then. And then I can keep trading the rest of the day without the risk of that $500. Like, well, you can't do that on, like, a single account on any other Propfirm. What other Propfirm can you do that, where you can take it out and it instantly comes out of your account and you can keep trading the rest of the day on that account without risking what you already made and withdrew? Who? No one. You can't do that. That's why right now Traders Launch, in my opinion, if Traders Launch can get Tradeovate, they would become one of the top firms instantly. I don't think they understand how key getting trade evade really is to their success. I would probably, like, right now I trade Tradeify, which Tradeify is awesome. Lucid's awesome. Take Profit Trader. I don't trade Apex anymore. I don't see the point in trading Apex. They have their space if you're looking for the 20 accounts. If you're looking for the multiple accounts, that's really the only time you would use them. Take Profit Trader and then Trader's Launch. If Trader's Launch gets Trade Evade, I don't see any reason to not trade live with Take Profit Trader, have the 5 Pro Plus accounts, and then try to go max accounts with Trader's Launch. What reason would you have to trade with any of the other firms? All the other firms cap you. Trader's Launch doesn't cap you. You literally could, if possible, make $1 million in a day on Trader's Launch, and it's yours. Obviously at the split price. But you could do that with Trader's Launch. You can't even do that with Take Profit Trader. So all I know is once they get Trade Evade, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, I don't see any reason to use Apex at the moment. Again, besides needing all the accounts and copy trading for max leverage, but even then you're capped. And if you're sim farming and you get to your max payouts on those accounts, you can't even keep the accounts and keep farming. They make you start over, which is the biggest load of crap I think I've ever seen. Like, imagine you're trading well and they're like, we don't want you live. So after the 6 payout on an account, they're like, yep, nope, account's dead. Like, you got to start over now. And you have to pay for it. What? Like, what? That's crazy to me. It just, like, feels illegal. Apex will maybe to live. Yeah, but even if they don't, like, they can just make you start over after 6 payouts. Um, Good old V. I think we're in another spot. We're in another spot where you'd have to risk all the way down here at 250. Risk 50 for 100. But if we break higher here, I mean, we're going to 400. Just, you know what? Let's play some marbles. Shit, I still had it up from yesterday. Exclamation point marbles, get a bed. You got 2 minutes. If you are new here, type exclamation point marbles in the chat. It'll get you entered. We're currently trying to give away $170 in cash money. All you gotta do is beat the golf map. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go on Amazon and I'm gonna look up. You got 30 seconds, by the way. I'm gonna look up some more golf sims so I can have one for the remainder. Look at this. It's coming right down to where you would have had to risk off of 250. I'll look for one to hold the time between when I get this Omni. It's starting to tick me off a little bit. I still don't have it. There's a couple websites that are selling it, and they have them in stock. and you can get them like if you order it now within like 5 days. Like how BS is that? I ordered this thing back in February and I still don't have it, but you're telling me that people can just order it now and they're getting it within 5 days and I'm still waiting? That's horse donkey. All I had to do was mention marbles and the market started doing something. I got 40. Is this a fake out, you think? Let me go back up. No, I'm not trading it. I'm mainly trying to trade because I'm FOMOing like that I'm not making any money, but you know, there's gonna be days like that. Alright, hold on. Let's see what we do here. Push down to like 180. I'm probably gonna try this. Come on. Sorry, Machado. Really gotta pee. I'm gonna start marbles. It's kind of bouncing. Obviously, if it goes lower, we'll keep an eye on it. You're back. Market trying to go lower. See what happens. Still interested at 180. Need to see it. Need to see that rubber band expand though. Never mind, it's holding. Oh, baby. Here we go. Come on, Papa, now. Let's get it started hot. Let's get it started hot. No! I was right behind you. Chart going. Chart trying to get down to 200. Still interested at 180. Hey, it's me, buddy. Oh, no! Rob's our last chance here. Come on, Rob. Come on, Rob. Come on, Rob. Come on, Rob. Let's go, Rob. Come on. No better. There's no better. No one better for this situation. Get in the hole. Stay up. Stay up. No. Boo. Boo. Lost reception? Sorry, man. I go by the sea. Time after time. I come to my senses. I committed no crime. Dang, this one was on sale for a while. Of course, literally just how many days ago? Oh, literally today it went. So I was looking at this launch monitor. It was $4.99, but back on May 28th, it went on sale for $3.99. And it actually, yeah, $3.99 all the way until today. It went back up to $4.99. What a joke. Wow, market. Market. Come on, man. Why couldn't you break to 180 first? Just shot back up to 260. USA plays tonight, baby. What time do they play? Play at 8. Ugh, again, a late game. England plays at 12. Belgium and Senegal at 4. You guys ready for the double account giveaways on Friday? Giving away two traders launch accounts, 2 Lucid accounts, 2 Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. That's gonna be fun. I'm basically gonna have to start the giveaways like right away. So make sure you're here. No Donald Friday. Find a way, brother. Find a way. Papa now. What trade? This is 2, race 2. Oh, I have to run. I forgot. I got to go to the NBA today. I'm not looking forward to that. Not going to have a single crosser to this. Nope. All right. 3rd attempt. Need at least 1 to cross. You know the rules. 1 bite. Everybody knows the rules. 1 crosser. Everybody knows the rules. Done. I mean, yeah, you gotta try. You gotta try. I get it. Yeah, so I have to renew my driver's license. It expires this year. And I went to do it online, but they told me that I can't because I don't have a current eye vision exam. I was like, damn, they're calling me old. Calling me old. Boo doo boo. Get ready to read the letters, old man. Yeah. That's the driver. Don't need one. This is true. Yours expires too? I need to get the real ID thing on mine. Do you have to... How does that even work? I don't even know if mine has it or not. But yeah, my appointment is at 3:45. I gotta go get my son and then come back and pretty much leave to go straight there. Let's see, best launch monitors for GS Pro. Just want my Omni, man. Just give me my Omni. Come on, Papa, now. We need a bridge crosser. Need a bridge crosser. Ain't gonna be you. At least not with that marble. Oh, this ain't looking good. Rob? Rob with the comeback? Rob crossing the first race. Can he do it again? That's not looking likely. Guys, this ain't looking good. Okay, okay. I see lasers. No, 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 no. This is not good. Oh. Profit per tick. It's up to you. I don't think that's going to hold right, though. No. Man, we've been on a little bit of a dry spell with the marbles on the golf track. Imagine they pass that law. If I drive Tesla, I don't need one. That would be pretty crazy. All right, well, I'm not really interested in 180 anymore. I mean, I might be, depending on the candle to get there, but... Best mid-range and premium camera. I don't want overhead. The Golf Joy Spica 3. What is that one? Spica 3. Do anything. Off Joy. I need it to be from Amazon, though, just in case I don't like it, you know, I could return it. It's not on there. But what is this other one? I saw this one. This one. Mevo Gen 2. This one's a little more pricey. They make you pay an extra $10 if you want to put it in a gift box. Like, what? Wait, does this come with the watch? Gotta be behind you. All right, here we go. Okay, okay. You know
Order
what?
filled.
I'll give it a shot. I like
Order working.
I like how it got there. Give me the 200 retest? Question mark? No? I thought we were going to get the 200 retest there. We did not. Still might. Could have got a much better entry at this point, obviously.
Order filled. Order working.
Oh, why Trade of Eight's order filled thing is like so much louder now for some reason. Like rings my ears. All right, we added, looking to get out half, just above break even, if it wants to give us a bounce. If not, this is looking kind of scary, like it wants to go straight to the lows, which would not be good. We are getting like no bounce here. That's not good. Yikes. Not good at all, especially because this is our lowest drawdown account. This is the account that we've taken 500 out of a couple times. There's the bounce that we're looking for. See if we can at least get that out. Are you kidding me? It always just goes right to where we're at every time and just
Order filled.
Let's see if we can't get the push back up to 200 here.
Push it real good.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 200. 200. 200. 200. 200. Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't.
Order filled.
Take it. We'll take it. Let's go. Just need 1K to pass Phidias. Let's go. Good shit. Good shit. Oh, GDT. What's up, man? Just drinking in paradise at the pool. Don't mind me. Attaboy. Punta Cana. Punta. Hey, we finally got a trade. It went a little further than I was expecting. Well, honestly, not really. I mean, we didn't even get to the bands. But when we got here and we made that move down there, I was scared. We were that close to the lows. I thought we were going straight to the lows. Hey, it adds up. All right, let's switch back to the $48 account. That's our lowest at the moment. What is that? 674. So if we do get another trade. So now that we've traded these 3 accounts and we still haven't had the money taken out from yesterday on those accounts, which we're just going to separate them anyway. So we're just going to keep going to the lowest amount. So like, even if it's at like 300, 200, 100, I would go to the 100. And then if I get that above 200, I would go to the 200 and so forth. Like, I'll just keep trading the smallest account. So I'm always risking the least amount. Locking in as much as we can. But I also will always have 2 accounts that are fresh the next day. And then the next day it would be 3, so it'd just be 2, 3, 2, 3. I wish it was 6 accounts. It'd be a lot easier to have 3 and 3, but it's okay. Not gonna complain. I don't think I've never heard of this Flight Scope Mevo Gen 2. I should have held it. I really should have held it. I just need something to hold me over. Who sells this?
Daddy, chill.
Chill. Certified brands, shipper, seller. I wonder if Amazon ships and sells any of these. They're so much easier to deal with. I really don't care. Okay, here we go. The Garmin. Maybe I'll just get the Garmin. Can you use the Garmin? Let me see. Garmin Approach R10 GS Pro. Access to bypass the Garmin Golf app.
winning.
How to connect. So apparently it's not an easy process, apparently. Let's see. Guys, why didn't you tell me to hold this? You needed 1K not that long ago, and you just passed it. Well, let's go. Let's fucking go, Trader's Nest. Trader's Nest on a roll. I'm trying to see how easy it is to pair this PS Pro. Has anyone heard if any prop firms are going to allow the individual stock futures that launch this month? I'm sure they all will. It's probably, they just don't know how to incorporate them yet. Very aggressively trading evals? I have nothing against that. I do the same thing. All right, that seemed easy enough. I think I'm just going to get this for now. Give me something to do. And it says it'll be here tomorrow. 50 ticks with minis can hit easily. They can also go against you pretty quickly too. But yes, I agree. All right, well, if you guys were telling me to hold it because you still were, hopefully you're out of it now. Yeah, 50 ticks is like nothing right now. Wow, might get another trade here. Here we go. Watch for a shot straight to the lows. I would love to see a pop right down to 100. Wouldn't be surprised though if we hold here. That was a pretty quick move back down. Take a pretty risky trade here.
Order working.
Nope. I wanted that. I had a feeling the pop back up is going to get rejected and at least come retry this, but the fact that I didn't get filled and it's just hanging there, yeah. I didn't like it. Still, I mean, I still think it's going to do it, but what a pop right back up there.
Order filled.
I'm not going to look for all of it, though.
Order working.
All right, now I just want out of it.
Order filled.
Pretty please. Oh my god, is this really just going to rocket ship back up? What an idiot I'll look like. I really just want out.
Order working.
This is not what I was expecting it to do, so now I just want out. I just want out. Let me out. Please. Pretty please. Oh no. This is literally just going to go straight back up. This
Order filled.
right back through 200.
Order working.
Come on, one little quick shot back down. Get me out of here. Come on, please. 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 Pretty please. Please, pretty please. Oh my lord. Good thing I started this with one contract. I knew I was taking a silly trade, so. Come on, just one little pop down. Get me out of this. You have got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, right? You got to be kidding me, right? Why? Why does it always do this to me? $93.25, 3 ticks. It's every time, man. Like, why does it have to stop there? Why can't it just go that little bit further? Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Could have just got me out, then did this, and I would have been perfectly happy. What a joke. What an actual joke. If this breaks 240, this area here, I mean, this thing's cooked. This is just going straight up. Like literally, it's gonna rocket ship back up. What a joke. It is. It's just gonna go. Jesus Christ.
Order filled. Order filled.
I can't believe this.
Order working.
I'm gonna toast an account over a dumb trade, all because of FOMO. Straight FOMO.
Order working. Order filled.
So dumb. I literally got in when it decided to just go straight up. Absolutely crazy.
Order filled. Order working. Order working.
I was just really expecting it to chop here for at least a couple candles. That's all I was looking for, was just a quick little scalp. It just went straight up. Had other plans. We needed to break through this 240 area. Needed to get back below this key area, but it's probably going to try to use it as support. Trying to stay above the EMA in case we get the EMA touch, but I think we're toast. Come on, one little pullback, please. I mean, the odds are I'm not surprised it bounced there, right? Looking left, previous resistance, using it as support. That's why I said we need that to break. If that can break, we might get the little pop down. Come on. Don't touch the EMA. I can't believe that first one missed me by, what, 3 ticks? What a joke, man. This ain't coming back down, is it?
Order working.
Come on, let me get lucky. Come on. Come on. Lucky one time. Come on. I will be done trading for the day if you just let me get lucky this one time. Come on, please. Come on, please. No. No. Why can't, when the new candle starts, it just continue one time in my direction? This is 100% going higher. Got to stay below this previous candle. If it goes back above this candle, it's gone. Good. Come on. Down. Now if we can break this candle, we might be all right. Come on. Down, down, down. Come on, break this candle. Break it, break it, break it, break it. Go, go. No, come on, man. Right on that line we drew from earlier. Go, 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 go. Come on, at least get those. Thank you.
Order filled.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Come on. No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. I got greedy with one of them. No, don't you dare. I guess at this point I should just stay greedy. Go for the full 200 retest here. If we get another push down, I'm just going to put a stop right here. Let's see how low it can go.
Order working.
All right, stops in. Come on. Go. Down, down, down. Down. Yes. Go. One more push, I'll take it. Would that have filled me? It would have. Son of a bitch. That would have filled me. No. I took it off because I didn't know about the spoofing rule. Like, if it would have filled my stop, if it would have considered I had an order out, if it would have considered that spoofing somehow. So I took... Son of a bitch.
Stop
man.
filled.
All right, whatever. We got out unscathed there. I'm not going to be mad, but I am pretty annoyed because I got rid of my order because I don't know how the whole spoofing thing works. If an order's left out after you get filled on a stop, but I would assume it would have been fine. Oh, it's so annoying. And then it's going to stop me out and probably work. It's okay. You know what? No, I'm happy because that could have been a lot worse. I'm happy. We shouldn't have been in the trade to begin with. Shouldn't have been in the trade to begin with. Well, it's not even their rule. It's the SEC's rule. So it has nothing to do with Take Profit Trader. They're just following SEC's or CME. I don't know why I keep saying SEC. CME rule. Well, that's what I'm saying, and I don't want to get caught or labeled that again because I fear that it would not go well. All right, I'm gonna grab another drink. Probably gonna get out of here soon. Their algo's too strict. Yeah, it is. But they're just protecting themselves, I guess. Man, if I would have got that fill 200, I would have looked like a genius. Hey. All right, last little attempt here. See if we can get a squeeze up through 300. If we do, I'll look for a short for the retest. But if we just kind of slow down here, I'm just going to get out of here. Still waiting, still waiting. All right, see what we do here. What I'm looking for, I was just looking for more. Wow, we're still in 1. Back to 3 here. I told you this was going to happen though. Once we held, I was just surprised it actually pulled back first before doing it. Thankfully, we found resistance here at that 270 level. Kind of a little double top, fake down lower one more time, thankfully, and then ripped it higher. Would have worked if I would have snagged that, but I wouldn't have been able to get that top there. I would have had to get in around 320, looking for the 300 retest, which, looking at this candle, wasn't really worth it because this candle already kind of did that. Jason, are you here today? You were the one I wanted to talk to. I don't think you were even here today. I was going to solidify a date with you for golfing. Jason. All right. I think I'm just going to get out of here. I was looking for the pop higher there. Didn't quite get it. We're just kind of doing this crap. I mean, we haven't hit the bands in a while. When's the last time? I mean, even like on the volatility that we're getting, we're not even hitting the bands. I had the bot running for a little bit yesterday and just nothing. I mean, we're not even on like the big spikes. It's like, I guess the ATR is so high. I mean, I'm never trading that at the open there, but I guess the ATR is just so high that it's really hard to hit the bands because with the ATR so high, I mean, we hit it here. This is where we made our money yesterday, right? But it's like we can't seem to... Actually, that was Monday. Yeah, that was Monday. But yeah. All right, I'm out of here. I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Have a good rest of your day. Until then, hopefully I have my new license tomorrow. And hopefully I can... nothing happens to my eyesight until then. But I'll see you later. Until then, peace.